up, guys? Miguel here. Quick video. This video is on Dewalt's cordless planer. Whoa, kind of windy. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna plane this door because it is a little bit thick for the application that I need it for, and this is gonna be dusty. And then we're going to run it 2 times. And that should be good. Check out what we've got going on over here. And yeah, I'm gonna mount this door, see if I planed enough from it, and that should be good. Maybe a little bit more on this side, but I ran the planer flat and it does feel pretty smooth over here, so I don't know, maybe the wood just expanded, but yep. Dewalt planer for the save.